Alright guys, I decided to do a video here just to explain a little bit more about my truck here. So when I first bought it, I actually did have it, I took it in to get it sprayed with oil, crown rust control, I had it all drilled out, and then after that I started spraying the whole underside of the truck with Castrol chain lubricant. If you don't know what that is, I'll just post a picture here, one sec. But yeah, I was using that for the longest time, and I think, you know, for the most part, it's kind of saved a lot of this truck, like the frame. But yeah, excuse the noises there. Live in the city. What do you do? But anyways, I wish I had have used that fluid film right from the get-go, but I wasn't too knowledgeable about that stuff in the early days. So, but in later years, after the fact, I have been spraying with fluid film. I gotta take it in, I gotta wash it this summer, take it into a car wash and spray all the underside out and kind of work out the rust, and then I'm gonna spray it again with fluid film, give it a good pressure wash and what have you. But for the most part, this truck is pretty decent. Like the only rust I got on this thing, and it's just basically surface at this point, there might be a little bit pinholes going through, is just basically on the quarter panels of the bed on either side. That's pretty much it. Like the rest of it's in pretty good shape. Like the cab corners, they're still there. Everything's solid. Like everything's solid basically from the wheel arch all the way back to the front. These bumpers, the corner bumpers here, they were notorious too for rotting out because everything from the wheel would just shoot up and just sit in this corner here. So like I said, in the beginning, I actually sprayed in behind these bumpers right in that corner. Like you can see a flash rusting on the inside, but I always sprayed that with the Castrol chain lubricant just to protect it. And like other than that, there was I'd have to clay bar this truck every once in a while because of there was like metal particles that would, I think, come up from the brakes that would stick to the body and cause little pinheads of rust on top of the paint. So I'd have to clay bar it for a long time for that reason. But yeah, like the tailgates, you know, still in good shape. The bumper, those are the only spots right there that I gotta really worry about. And let me show you here. I just had to fix a few things. Used a gator tape, clear gator tape on that. Had a crack right there, so. This side here, it's all good. Like this truck is pretty good for length of time I've had it. I've seen 2009s like a while ago back that were just rotted right out. And some other ones I see too, so.